हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज है 13th ऑफ जुलाई 2017 एंड कल जो मैंने अपना वीडियो बनाया था उसके हिसाब से तो जो मेरा प्रिडिक्शन था वो ऑलमोस्ट फेल हो गया. सो आई मेड माई वीडियो एट अबाउट 12 समवेयर हियर, राइट. एंड आई सेड मुझे मार्केट में थोड़ा सा करेक्शन दिखाई दे रहा है. So it did go down, but it didn't go down as, no, sorry, I was here. यहाँ पे कहीं पे थी मैं. I made my video somewhere here. यहाँ पे कहीं पे बनाया था मैंने, right? And I was 12:15, 12:07 ऐसे कोई टाइम हो रहा था, and I was expecting it to go down, right? And market मेरी उम्मीद के बिल्कुल दूसरी डायरेक्शन में चला गया. तो which is fine, market is supreme. I am a human being, right? And market is driven by lot more factors than human intelligence. It is driven by, many other things. A lot of computers, a lot of emotions, a lot of people are there, different stocks are there, different volumes are there, so much is happening. But something that I can tell you by looking at this graph, that the 10 moving average was taking the support on 15 moving average, that I can see more clearly today. Yesterday it wasn't that clear, but today morning जब ये थोड़ा gap up open हुई है तो ये 10 moving average support लेके ऊपर चला गया है. और इससे मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा सा निफ्टी का स्टैंस पॉजिटिव ही है. और अगर हम इसको पिवट पॉइंट्स में जाके देखते हैं तो वी कैन सी दैट just a sec, let me just remove these lines so that we can see it. So see, the market opened up, this is pivot point, this is R1, this is R2, it opened above R2, right? And जहाँ पे शुरू हुई है, जहाँ पे खुली है निफ्टी, वहीं पे ऑलमोस्ट अटकी पड़ी है, उसी रेंज में अटकी पड़ी है, उस रेंज के बाहर नहीं निकल के आई है. लाइक लेट मी मार्क द रेंज. ये रेंज जो मार्क करी है हमने, इस रेंज से निफ्टी बाहर नहीं आ पा रही है. द मोमेंट देयर विल बी अ ब्रेकआउट विच कम्स इन आइदर ऑफ द डायरेक्शन, जिस भी डायरेक्शन में ये ब्रेकआउट आएगा उस डायरेक्शन में निफ्टी का मोमेंटम आ जाएगा. ठीक है. एंड मेनी ऑफ पीपल आर सेइंग कि 10,000 जाएगा, 8,900 तो पक्का चला जाना चाहिए. चला जाएगा, कोई इसमें इशू नहीं है, बिकॉज द वे कॉल्स आर बीइंग अनवाइंडेड, द way the effect of P notes is coming in, it is actually supporting Nifty to go up. ठीक है. तो कोई इसमें I don't see a reason why it won't touch 10,000 mark. Or another thing that could also be possible, that being at the lifetime high, many people might be also booking up their positions, right? They must be booking their profits. So anything is possible. Market is like that, I mean I'm sure, I'm not, so if I've said that this is going to happen always 100%, there's no surety in market. So yesterday, and my prediction went wrong. My prediction did really go wrong. And of course, we are in the, as I told you, we had two shorts trades. One of them was Cipla, where we still are in the short positions. And as far as the LIC is concerned, we have exited it. But had we hold it for a little longer, we could have seen that it is experiencing a resistance. I can show you that had we just held it for a little longer, it would have shown us a resistance, right? So you can see it's in 15 minutes it's taking resistance from 200 moving average. But I didn't want to take a chance, because if Nifty goes up, then 100% the stock will also go up along with in the direction of the Nifty. But I'm still hoping that Cipla should give us a good return. Hopefully, let's see how it goes. So so many times Nifty, although we want to decipher it, and if you still ask me, I feel there is something which is very deceptive which is happening in Nifty. Something which is, which shows me that it is governed by some other force, which is not as simple as we see in the data. It's not visible in the data. It is somewhere else. It is something else. Anyway, that is nothing for us to judge. We'll have to be in the flow, in the direction of Nifty. So, let's see आज का क्या stance लगता है Nifty का. So, Nifty is in a consolidation mode. Nifty is just not being able to take a call. अभी ये 1-1.5 घंटा ऐसी हॉरिजॉन्टल तो चल चुकी है. हो सकता है 1-2 कैंडल और थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाके और फिर ये इस तरह का कप शेप बना के और फिर नीचे आए, ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है, बट आई एम श्योरली एक्सपेक्टिंग सम काइंड ऑफ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग. So let's see what's happening in the bank Nifty. How is it doing? Is it doing better, or how the banking stocks doing? Federal Bank is doing fine. Axis Bank is doing fine today. And then we have ICICI Bank, that is also doing good today. So the banking sector looks pretty fine to me, and I'm sure the banking stocks are also supporting Nifty in the upward direction, right? So what I want to show you here is Amara Raja. Let's look into Amara Raja's one day. Have we now got an opportunity to enter this trade? So see, even right now there is no trade for us. There is no trade. हम कब इस ट्रेड को एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं? जब कैंडल्स यहाँ पे अबव 50 मूविंग एवरेज बंद होंगी, तब हमारा एक ट्रेड बनेगा, राइट? और अभी इसमें हमें एक रेजिस्टेंस लगता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है. फॉर अस दिस इज नॉट अ ट्रेड. We'll wait till a candle forms above it, RSI, MACD support us, then we can think about. Although it's right now at the bottom, you can just look at the stock. It's at the third time it is on a support. It was at over here in 2000, I think 16, somewhere here also it's on a support, and then again here in support. 3-4 times it has taken support from the same place. So only confirmation is going to come when the candle close above this 50 moving average. Then we can trust, the stock to go up and give us this momentum, which is from 870 to about 900, about 30 points का एक run up हमको देगा. और अगर उसको convincingly इस 200 moving average को cross कर लेगा, then it will show you a good run up coming in. Okay, and so this was Amara Raja battery, and I'm just thinking, one of the stock that we had on our radar was yesterday Just Dial. So Just Dial, if you ask me to create a long position in this stock, I will be a bit more skeptical right now, because although MACD crossover is happening, RSI is not going up, right? In one day. Until candles leave this graph convincingly above 10 moving average, I'm not going to buy it. Any stock which is like this, below the moving averages, I'm not going to touch. Why? Because to me, this is a falling stock. Okay, so for me, it doesn't make a difference. And then I said, yesterday I told you कि हमने 2-3 अपने stocks identify करे हैं, उनमें positions create किए. One of the stock was Cipla. Cipla is, काफी परेशान किया इसने हमको, अच्छे से परेशान किया है, बट अब लगता है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा इसमें एक डायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट आ रहा है. जब तक ये सपोर्ट ब्रेक नहीं हो जाता ना कैंडल्स का, तब तक एक क्लैरिटी ट्रेड में नहीं आएगी. एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी क्लियर इन पिवट पॉइंट्स. सी हियर, पिवट पॉइंट में ये पिवट पॉइंट है, ऊपर खुला पिवट पॉइंट के सिप्ला गया R1 तक रेजिस्टेंस पे कितनी देर खड़ा रहा, कम से कम 2-2.5 घंटे, और फिर उसके बाद इसने इस रेजिस्टेंस को क्रॉस नहीं किया, एंड हेंस इट इज ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ फॉलिंग डाउन. सो दिस इज स्टॉक वी आइडेंटिफाइड द डे बिफोर, not yesterday, on a day before the day before yesterday. So we expected it to go down. We checked it all the levels, and we found it is experiencing resistance at different levels, and that is how we created our position, expecting that Nifty will go down, but Nifty actually did not really support us. And अब मुझे लगता है निफ्टी में और थोड़ी सी और स्ट्रेंथ मुझे लगता है नजर आएगी, क्योंकि 10 मूविंग एवरेज ही सपोर्ट हुआ है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. हो सकता है अभी ये थोड़ी देर ऐसे करके कप शेप बनाए और फिर नीचे आए, फिर उसके बाद नीचे आने के चांसेस है, फिर थोड़ा नीचे यहाँ तक आके फिर एक सपोर्ट लेके फिर निफ्टी ऊपर जाएगी. सो दिस इज हाउ निफ्टी विल go up and down and slowly, gradually keep inching towards 10,000. So now see, 10,000 is not a big deal for Nifty. If it wants, it can reach that goal in one day. अभी हम कहाँ पे हैं? We are right now at 9874. So 125 points, I don't think is a huge challenge for Nifty. एक दिन में चल लेती है उतना तो. ठीक है, अगर कोई पॉजिटिव सेंटिमेंट्स आ गए, if everything put together, combined together, creates a positive, ambience, I'm sure this Nifty will just crack it in one single day. So I'm not against Nifty going up, and I'm not having a negative view, but I only read my technical setup. And yesterday's technical setup was telling me that there should be some kind of profit booking that should come in. But वो नहीं आई, तो ठीक है. I'm not saying that my technical setup is foolproof, but when I'm talking about me, who's a human being, a lot of emotional factors are also involved. So sometimes interpretation get disoriented, like oriented according to my own life state. So if I'm sitting in the sell side, I will look at Nifty as if it's going to go down, right? I'll probably be able to close my eyes to the rest of the factors which are telling me that it does plan to go up. So anyway, it did go up, and when I looked at it in the morning, I saw, oh God, this 10 moving average only was taking resistance. MACD crossover, RSI above. So that means the stock, the Nifty did definitely plan to go down, and that is how it opened. So what one could have done, had I noticed it yesterday, I would have taken some kind of calls here and sold them here. Like if it is at 9,863, I could have bought, 9,850 calls I might have taken, or 9,900 calls I might have taken, and booked my profit today in the morning over here. But anyway, since I ignored it, I lost the opportunity. But doesn't matter, this is stock market. Stock market में अगर हम stock market में enter करते हैं, तो ये तो inevitable है, ये तो होगा ही होगा कि कुछ दिन profit होगा, कुछ दिन loss होगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम loss ही करते जाए या profit ही करते जाए. We can learn, we can earn, and the only thing is your losses should be lesser than your profits, way lesser than your profits. Then we will have a profitable trade in stock market. Fine. So guys, again, as I told you yesterday, we're starting our webinar, and I'm really looking forward to you all, and so many of you have joined, and I'm really hoping to create value in your life for lifelong, so that you can earn good amount of money and a consistent money. Like in stock market, what matters more is consistency. That every day you earn 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees, but consistently. ये नहीं कि आज 1 लाख आपने कमा लिया और कल 2, 3, 4 दिन minus होता चला गया. So that consistency is very important, and there are certain set of rules that you need to follow so that you can really benefit from stock market, because stock market needs discipline, stock market needs perception. आपको एक सोच होनी चाहिए, एक आपके पास एक शार्प आई होनी चाहिए कि आप देख सकें कि कुछ स्टॉक में क्या हो रहा है और अकॉर्डिंगली अपनी पोजीशन क्रिएट कर सकें. So get ready to learn, and it's a kind of promise that I do, that whatever money you will invest, you will be returning through, while we are doing our trading analysis and learning about it, you will be able to incur your money, and there's nothing to worry about. It's learning and earning together. And of course, there will be these, calls that you will get for 6 months. Of course, you only will filter them out, and you only will find out, I will say, yes, this is the one you can buy. So you will become, by the time 6 months, an expert of having calls, and you will gain the confidence. But please remember, when I say you will get the call, means you will find out the calls, and I will say, yes, this is correct, you can go ahead with this. That is the kind of support, because what right now I'm doing, I'm only giving the calls what my members are finding out. I'm not doing any other research than that. So please have a clarity about it, that when I say I'm going to support you for 6 months, means you will get all the calls, you will filter out the calls, and I will say, yes, this looks good, please go ahead. So get ready to learn, guys. I'm also looking forward to see you in the webinar, and see you there. We're starting the day after. It's going to be a great going from there. If you've lost money, invest some money in your learning. Invest some money in yourself and reap the benefit lifelong. Right? Bye-bye. Good day. See you tomorrow.